Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pitam Finsar. Today we will try to discuss regarding what has happened in Nifty and Nifty Bank and what is the view regarding tomorrow, that is 29th April 2021, which is expiry day, and hence one need to be very careful. So there is a disclaimer that all the views that are shared through this video are just from the study point of view. If anyone would like to do any sort of investment or trade based on the views shared, then he or she must do own research or must consult to the financial advisor before trading or investing based on the views. Okay, so let's see what has happened in Nifty. See, these are the levels that I am sharing since long time with you, and you can observe market is trying to respect all these levels. Today also market tried to respect this level of 812 to 856, 14,812 to 14,856. Okay, just a minute please. Yeah, let me update the chart. Okay, yes. You can observe that Nifty spot it has tried to close around 14,850. So it tried to close just within this zone. So what is this? This may be a bull trap. This may be a bull trap. Bulls might have been trapped here. So what can be the trade? Aggressive traders may try to sell here itself with a stop loss just above today's high, or otherwise the safe traders they may join the short sale where Nifty will try to trade below 14,812 level. When Nifty will be below this particular zone, that time with a very small stop loss, say around 831, that can be the stop loss. Yes, 831, that can be the stop loss. You may expect the price to fall to approach this zone 14,723 to 14,690. This may be a strong support from the intraday perspective, and the next trade for the short sale may start only when the Nifty will try to sustain below 14,690. And here the major breakdown of Nifty may be assumed, and eventually you may observe the prices to fall to approach 14,500, then 14,300 also. That is positional perspective. But as far as tomorrow's view is concerned, tomorrow I'm expecting that the price to fall with a stop loss just above today's high, or safe traders they will join the party when Nifty tries to sustain successfully below 14,812 with a stop loss around 833. Expect the price to fall to 14,723. That is my view regarding Nifty. Now let us try to see what is happening in Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank is comparatively stronger. I mean to say, with respect to Nifty. In comparison with Nifty, Nifty Bank is Nifty Bank appears to be strong, and eventually I expect the price to fall tomorrow to approach 33,526. Thereafter you may expect 33,300. This can be the next view, and even 33,150 may be possible. So as far as tomorrow's perspective is concerned, I have tried to give three different targets. One is 33,000. These are the spot levels: 33,500, 33,300, and 33,150. So these three possibilities may be there. Where will be your stop loss? Your stop loss will be just above today's high, because here I think in this particular zone bulls have been trapped. Bulls have been trapped. Let me mark that line. Okay. So here the bulls appears to be trapped, and eventually you may expect the price to fall to approach 33,500, thereafter 33,300, and then 33,150. Let me try to mark the zones, the expected zones. Let me change the time scale. Okay, no problem. 15-minute time frame. I am not able to switch to 15-minute time frame. No problem. And if you want a small, very small zone where a temporary support may be expected in the region around 296 to 261. Okay, so these are the expectations as far as Nifty Bank is concerned. The price may try to fall eventually. This can be the first target, thereafter this can be the second target. Okay, I I think maybe 33,300 seems possible by tomorrow, and here in this zone again a bounce back may take place from this particular zone. Okay, remember your stop loss is just above this particular level, because if it tries to stay above this level, then it may try to open the door for 34,000. That is the thing. Yeah, similarly here as far as Nifty is concerned, I am expecting that this is a bull trap and accordingly price may fall. But say if it tries to stay above 14,868, then accordingly eventually price may expect to rise to approach 980, 14,980. Okay, let us see what is the structure in Infosys. Infosys, it has tried to prepare this particular candle, but eventually I am expecting that once this particular level gets broken in Infosys, the level is from this to this. Yes, thereafter a fall in Infosys may be observed to approach this 14. this 1260 to 1248, and even you may expect the price to fall to approach this 1190 to 1177. But short sale may be possible only when below 1306, not here 1306. And here in this particular zone, from this particular zone, bears may try to take control. So as far as Infosys is concerned, this particular zone 1367 to 1386 or 87, this zone is important where the bears may try to create their short sale positions. Their stop loss will be just above this zone, say 1390. This can be the stop loss, and eventually they may expect the price to fall to approach 1321, thereafter 1260, and then thereafter even 1189, 1177. This may be possible in the month of May. It is not from tomorrow's perspective, it is from the positional perspective. 1390, that can be the stop loss, and eventually you may expect the prices to fall uh, as per the zones mentioned. Now let us talk about the Dow Jones index. Dow Jones, see, you can observe, I try to share this chart through my various previous videos, and here you can observe I try to provide a stop loss around 34,117. That can be the stop loss, and with that as a stop loss I was expecting that the price to fall to approach 33,910. These targets have been achieved, you can observe here, and thereafter I even try to mark this another line of 33,811. You can observe this Dow Jones index, it has tried to take a support very close to the zone. What was the low mark? Okay, you can observe the low was 33,830, and my zone mark is 33,811. Let me once again check what was the low. 33,818, yes. 33,818, this was the low, present low that Dow Jones index has made, and my line mark was around 33,811, so hardly 7 points. So it is very close to that zone. The Dow index is falling. It clearly indicates that Dow index is falling. And now those who would like to make any new short sale, what they can do, they can just keep their stop loss above this line 910. So 33,910 plus 5, so 33,915 or 16, that can be the stop loss, and once again expect the price to fall, so this has the SL, and once again expect the price to fall to approach this particular. Let me check whether I can mark the zone. Just a minute please, just a minute please, just a minute please. Yes, yeah, okay. So these prices. See, presently this is a live market. Yes, in live market prices are falling. Just we try to mark here this zone. Yes, and in live market I am sharing my view. This is the stop loss. With that as a stop loss, you expect the price to fall further to approach this zone. Yes. Okay. So this is my view regarding Dow Index, and even I am bearish on Nifty. Nifty critical level is 14,868. 14,868. Till the time Nifty is below 14,868, it is expected that it may try to approach to further down all these levels, that is 14,723, and a real crackdown may be expected when below 14,690 to approach 14,500, thereafter 14,400, 14,300. So all these levels may be seen in the month of May. Remember about the stop losses. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification as and when I upload any new video. So let us try to go through the advertisement.
Do you know options trading is one of the quickest way to earn money from stock market? Selecting the correct options is important. We at Freedom FinServe have consistent track record of earning huge profits through options trading. Through options trading, one may earn 3% to 15% a month, whereas options buying has a capacity of unlimited profits with limited risks. We have expertise in analyzing the market quickly and share the views in real time. To learn details about selecting the correct strike price and various profitable option strategies, join us at Freedom FinServe. We provide all the required trainings and consultancy services at Freedom FinServe. Every opportunity knocks softly, so act sensibly and quickly.